Imagine this, 400 to 500 cities, each submitting financial statements as messy scanned PDFs. Different formats, inconsistent quality, critical data buried in paper. How do you turn that chaos into insights that drive decisions? We solved it with AI. Here's the story. When paper becomes a productivity nightmare. 400 to 500 municipalities submitting financial reports. Every single one a different format, low-quality scan, impossible to standardize. No way to compare performance across cities. Teams drowning in manual data entry. The result? Decisions moving at a crawl, and limited visibility across the entire network. Our approach: AI-powered transformation at scale. Advanced OCR that extracts data from any PDF quality, even the worst scans. Automated standardization using unified templates to make everything analytical ready. Confidence scoring on every data point so you know what's reliable. The results speak for themselves. 80 to 85% reduction in manual effort. 20 to 30% cost savings across operations. 60% faster decision-making through conversational analytics. Proven at scale across over 400 to 500 cities. Ready to transform your financial operations? Let's turn your data challenges into competitive advantages. Follow Synaptyx to stay ahead of the AI revolution.